Okay, what is excuse me. Okay, what is up, guys? So we are back in Pixel Gun, and I needed to record this because I wouldn't stop winning, and I'll show you how much money I had. In the last episode, I think I wasted it all. So now I get this. So yeah, let's I'm gonna try to get 180, and then I'll show you what gun I'm gonna get. So yeah, I got a new gun in that last episode. It's this shark gun. I got it from the gift box. So yeah, it makes me OP, and I win all the time now. Let me guess, everyone's like down here waiting. Okay, no. So yeah. I also got this weapon. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Who's shooting me? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so sorry for pausing it there. I'm gonna keep killing people, so yeah. And right now, I'll just tell you some shout outs. I'm gonna give a shout out to what the heck? DNTDM, of course. FaZe Rug, I think, was his name. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so those are all famous people. And also a shout out to It's Sai. He's a good, really good YouTuber. So yep. Let's go. Jump up here. Oh shoot! What the? No, what is going on? Let me check something first. Oh, whoops. Okay, sorry, guys. Keep going. We're gonna keep going until I get $180. And yeah, so I think we won this match. First, let me kill these people. Oh, shoot. Okay, oh no. And I got the double jump boots, I mean not boots. Which means I can double jump. Oh, this guy has it too. Oh no. Okay, so victory, our first round. And yeah, I'm in Wooden Lake 2, almost in Wooden Lake 1. Wait, yep, I leveled up again too. I've unlocked new weapons. Wait a second. Let me go to Armory. Have I unlocked, or have I unlocked them to buy them? Yeah, unlocked. Oh, I have 197. Here's the gun I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy the shuriken thrower. Tell me, guys, if the shuriken thrower is good, because I don't really know. How much is the upgrade? 35. Nope. Let me get my gun first. Buy this. No, I do not have enough. The upgrade is 100 things. Okay. Yeah, so that was actually really good. I didn't really expect that. Wait, let me quit first and go to the lobby. And I'm gonna open the gift boxes since I have gems. So yeah, we have about 18 gems. So let's open a pack. Oh, I thought I could get that wand. This is where I get most weapons from, but not all the time, so Oh, 2 free spins. Yes, 2 free spins. Open gift. And what are we gonna get? Oh, I thought I was gonna get that other thing. That would be awesome. Okay, so let's see what am I gonna get. Golden friend. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna get the golden. Okay, so 2 more free spins. Yeah, it's okay at least. Okay, so no, I hate this. I don't take out Sandbox if you're watching this, developers. I hate Sandbox mode. You just really do nothing. Okay, come on. Get something good. Skin maker, okay. It's fine, I guess. I also got a new skin. So, oh shoot. It's just 3 votes. Okay, let's do this last time. Oh my gosh. Here guys, let me see how much it costs. Go. Oh, let me see. I'll buy 30 gems. Payment successful. I got 30 more gems. How much are the free gems? Oh, 7 or 1? I can't really read that. Okay, let's get this and open now. 3 free spins. Oh, 3 free spins. That was good. Okay, open. Oh, and I don't really use the chat that much, but okay. Why not? Oh, I almost got that. Okay, so 5 coins. A free spin? Oh, emojis. Oh my gosh, I hate that. I hate Sandbox mode. Free spin, that's okay. Let's get a free spin. No, I don't want this. Let's see. A crown. Okay, I'll see what it does in a second. Wait. Let's finish our pack opening right now. Stop! Oh, I could have got that awesome gun. Hopefully I can get another gun from this. That'll be awesome. Okay, gems. Oh, 5 gems. Okay, that's good. See something good. Okay, no, we don't need that. See something good. Okay, just more coins. Ooh, 10 coins. That's good. It's okay. Free spin. Okay. Yeah, free spin. Good, free spin. See, can I get another gun? No, I don't like the Sandbox things. See, come on. Free spin. Yeah, okay. Open. Come on. Okay, last thing. Please be something good. Please be something good. Oh my gosh! That is not good. Here guys, I'm gonna get a gem and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got another gem. And let's open this last gift. Please be something good. Do not be the stupid Sandbox thing. Okay, it's a grenade, that's okay, but yeah, so when did I equip that? So I got an armory. It's gonna have that increases movement speed and weapon damage, greatly decreases self-explosion. Oh, but what does this one do? Increases movement speed. Yeah, we can wear this. Yeah, since I have that. Okay, yeah, okay, guys, that is it for this video today. Wait. What? Sorry. If you want more, please tell me in the comment section below. Punch that like button in the face. I will see you next time. Wait, first, if you want me to do adventure 2. Oh, wait. Sandbox mode. What is sandbox mode? So yeah, anyway, bye.